our patch behind the farmhouse, where the pace of life is slow, there's a website where just real webs are used. We spend days the way ducks oughta, eating bread thrown on the water, in a way that keeps the younger kids amused. Come on back and go. Do my best to bring you mine. Look at him. Come on, children, let's not make a fuss. Look at him. Are you sure he's really one of us? Family like this isn't strong, so you won't poke fun. All of you must get along. He's a special son. If they knew just how dearly I would love to Honk. But it's true, I'm a bird that seems to lack the neck. I'm just different from the rest. And who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? But different isn't naughty, different isn't bad. So why should being different make me sad?
You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chiv your chow before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't eat it. So ducky, let me play with you.
We're off on a wild goose chase. We will be no stranger to danger. The squadron will know no fear.
We're off, and no matter where we roam, although the mind boggles, these goggles and goggles, we're sure to find your home.
If you just sit tight on your lily pad, it's that will pass.
Then those who sport each seasons look the fall flat on their.
Ask your mother what it's called.
Look at him.